Hi. Well, soft drinks need to be served chilled. So whether you're running a bistro, a cafe, a food truck or restaurant, doesn't really matter. Your soft drinks need to go in the fridge. So you need a beverage cooler like the one I have here from Royal Catering. So let me just go over some details for you. So first of all, the fridge works with 162 watts, which is quite enough for such a compact package. It also has 238 litre capacity, so that's what really matters. That's what determines what you can keep inside. So starting from the top, very cool feature is the fact that you can put your own advertisement up here. So you just cut it out with a piece of laminated paper or whatever, and you can put it on top. The display will be the more visible if you turn on the light. So let me just show you how that works. So I just turn it on, so the display lights up and you already have a light in the fridge. So let me just keep the light on so we can see what's inside. Between the display and the fridge you have a temperature display and temperature regulation. So this shows the current temperature. The temperature range for this fridge is 2 to 8 degrees, and you can regulate that with this dial. So going up, so the higher you go, the lower the temperature inside. In my research, I found some questions in regards to this particular models. So people are asking how high the inside is, and it's 113.5 centimeters. The shelves inside are regulated, so that goes with the second question, whether you can fit up standing bottles. As the example shows, you can, because you can adjust the shelves on different heights. Of course, you can take some shelves out if you have higher bottles, but definitely you can fit whatever you need inside. There's a very simple hook-on rail system on the sides. Of course, the shelves are removable. Well, there's one more feature inside. That's the drain. So if there's any condensation happening, it will leak down the drain. It will be collecting on the bottom. So there's a tray that needs emptying once in a while, or checking actually. It should evaporate by itself. There shouldn't be much condensation happening. All right. One more important thing people are asking is whether the fridge has a safety function. Well, it does. It comes with a set of 2 keys, so 1 key and a spare one, and the lock is on the bottom of the door. So in order to lock your expensive drinks, you just push the key in, turn it, and it's locked. So the door is locked, so whatever you're keeping inside will stay safe for the next day service. All right. So that's pretty much it, what I have to the fridge. I thank you guys very much for your questions. I hope I answered them well. I thank you guys for watching, and I see you next time.